Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, children. Where is Nandana and Swati? That was Bhavishya, right, earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, darling. Very good. Where are the others? All right. So we have an expression here. Let's understand how to simplify this expression. Okay. So it goes like this. Now you can see something here, 6a into a minus 2. We all know that when there is no sign, like supposing we say xy, xy means x into y. Xy means x into y. So similarly, 6a and a minus 2. There is no sign in the middle. That means multiplication. Here we have 6a and we have a minus 2. There is no sign in the middle. So that means it is 6a into a minus 2. Similarly, here a into 3 plus 7a. A into 3 plus 7a. Now here we have to simplify. To simplify, we will have to first open the bracket. We'll have to get rid of the brackets. So see here, write this first term as it is, 15a square. Now you will have to multiply. What is the sign 6a carries? Minus. 6a is minus 6a. So minus 6a into a. Minus 6a into a is minus 6a square. Again, minus 6a into minus 2. All right. So minus into minus plus. 6 2s are 12a. Is that right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here, I repeat, 6a is minus 6a. Minus 6a into a is minus 6a square. Minus 6a into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 6 2s are 12a. Again, plus a into 3. Plus a into 3. See, first multiply the signs, children. Both are positive. A and 3, both are positive. It is plus a and plus 3. So plus into plus, plus. A into 3, 3a. See, now you're multiplying two terms. You are multiplying two terms. Now, each of these terms have a sign, plus or minus. So when you're multiplying, multiply the signs, put that first, and then multiply the terms. When you multiply the terms, you multiply the numbers, and then the literals. So these are the three things you do. First, you multiply the signs. You're multiplying two terms. So they have their respective signs. So first you multiply the signs. Then in the two terms, you have numbers and letters. Then you multiply the numbers. Then you multiply the letters. And that is the product. Now, finally, see, what are you multiplying here? A and 7a. What are the signs they carry? Plus a plus 7a. So plus into plus, plus. A into 7a. So 7 will come as this. 7. A into a square. Is it clear or very clear, children?
Ma'am, it is very clear.
Very clear.
All right, children. Please feel free to ask any doubts if you have. So now this is the first step. The next step is to gather the like terms. Gather the like terms. So 15a square minus 6a square plus 7a square. See, remember one thing. This is an expression. You are not transposing. You are not taking any term to the other side. There is no other side at all. It's an expression. It's not an equation. If it's an equation, there are two sides. Then you will, if you take a term from one side to the other, it will go with the opposite sign, or it will go for division or multiplication, whatever. But here it's an expression. There is only one. There's no side actually. To say there's only one side. So you're just rearranging the terms. So don't change the signs. 15a square minus 6a square plus 7a square. Don't change the signs. Don't write minus 7a square. You're not transposing. It's not an equation. Then you have plus 12a plus 3a. So there are 3a square terms and 2a terms. Now add or subtract the like terms. So how do you do that? 15a square minus 6a square plus 7a square. So we'll do 2 at a time. 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16. 16a square. And then 12a plus 3a, 15a. That's it. This is the final answer. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please take down. I told you I'll be doing algebraic expressions, identities, factorization, division all together. All right. So last class we saw factorization. We saw all the different types of factorization. Now what we are doing here is we are given an expression. We're trying to simplify the expression. See the answer. This expression is nothing but 16a squared plus 15a. That's all. The given expression is just 16a squared plus 15a. That's all it is. So we have simplified it. We have solved it. We have simplified it. Not solved, sorry. We have simplified it. Solving means finding the value of the unknown. So this is for you all. Okay, I need the whole slide. Tell me if you're done, children. I have to clear the slide.
Done, ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Done, children?
And
Okay. I'm about to clear the slide. Yes. This is the next one, children. See here. Again, the heading is simplify. 4st into s minus t minus 6s square into t minus t square minus 3t square into 2s square minus s plus 2st into s minus t. Take down, this is the question. You need to simplify this expression. You need to simplify this expression. Yeah. So see here, 4st into s minus t, 6s square into t minus t square, 3t square into 2s square minus s, 2st into s minus t. Yeah. So when you're multiplying, you should multiply the signs first, then the numbers, and then the letters. So, Bhavashya, tell me the first part.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
4a square t, ma'am.
4.
A square t, ma'am.
That's not a, darling. S.
I told yes, ma'am.
Oh, 4s square t. Yeah. Then
Minus 4st square, ma'am.
4st square. Very good. Next, Vati.
Ma'am, it's minus 6s square t, ma'am. And then plus 6s square and t square, ma'am.
Okay, now you multiplied 6s square and t square. What is the sign 6s square carries?
Minus, ma'am.
What about t square?
Minus, ma'am.
So minus into minus plus, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then 6 s square into t square, which is 6 s square t square. Very good. Nandana?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, minus 6t square s square.
Okay, we can write t square s square, but since we have s square t square, let me write s square t square, correct? You can
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
see, yeah, I should tell you one thing at this point. A square b square and b square a square, are they the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you should ask yourself 3 into 4 and 4 into 3, they are the same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, a square into b square. What is a square b square? A square into b square and b square into a square. Both are the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are the same. So you can write 6 s square t square, meaning 6 t square s square as s square t square. Yeah, continue, Nandana.
Ma'am, plus 3t square s.
Plus 3
T
t
square
square
s.
s. Can I change it and write? Just see the other terms. T square s.
Yes, ma'am.
No, shall I write t square s or st square? Just see if you have st square anywhere.
Yes, ma'am. 4 minus 4 is t square.
So we'll write this as t square s or st square.
St square, ma'am.
Yes. No, what will happen sometimes, we'll not realize that they are like terms.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why. See, now you have two ways of writing. Either you can write t square s or st square. You search which is there. So there is st square. So write this also as st square.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Then finally, children, anybody can say
Ma'am,
this?
ma'am, shall I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, 2s square
Sign first. First the sign
plus, ma'am,
plus.
plus s
Yeah.
square t
Plus 2 s square t
plus minus 2st
minus.
square.
Very good. St square. Now all of you simplify in your notebooks and tell me the final answer.
And
Yeah. What are the different terms you have here? I think you have s square t, st square, and s square t square. Just group them and write it first.
ma'am, I have grouped it, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the final answer?
Ma'am, I haven't done the final answer, ma'am, but I have grouped that.
Oh, you've grouped it. Yes, yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, 4s square t, ma'am.
Okay. Any other s square t? Minus?
Minus 6s square t, mom.
Minus 6s square t.
Plus 2s square t, mom.
Very good. Plus 2s square t. Okay, then?
Minus 4 st square, mom.
Very good.
Plus 3st square.
Very good.
Minus 2st square.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Then?
Plus 6s square t square.
Plus 6s square t square. Very good.
Minus 6s square t square, ma'am.
Okay, minus 6s
Ma'am,
square
I
t
have
square.
a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, darling.
Ma'am, she wrote as plus st square and minus 6st square, ma'am. Can we cancel it since they are
Yeah.
minus
Where is it you
plus?
can cancel? Yeah, you can cancel it. Yeah, you can.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Bhavishya, after this? Very good, Bhavishya. Yes, Swati. Very good, Bhavishya. You grouped it correctly. Yes, Swati.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after this, when we subtract 4 minus 6, we get 2s square t, ma'am.
2s square t?
Minus 2s
Minus
square t,
2s square t.
and plus 2s square t, ma'am. That's 0, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and for st square, when we add minus 4st square plus 3st square, we get minus st square, ma'am.
Okay.
Minus st square minus 2st square is minus 3st square, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Then?
Yes, ma'am. And for the last one, 6s square t square. Yes, ma'am. That was 0, ma'am.
So what's the
final
final
answer
answer?
is minus 3st square, ma'am.
Very good. This is the correct answer. Minus 3st square. Perfect.
Ma'am, can we write also like minus 6st square plus 3st square is equal to minus 3st square?
Come again.
Ma'am, I wrote as minus 4st square minus 2st square, ma'am. So I get minus 6st square plus 3st square, ma'am. Can it is also right, ma'am?
Oh, these are the st squares. Oh, you wrote minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 st square plus 3 st square, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, correct.
I got
Anyways,
minus 3.
minus 3 st square, correct. Yeah, even we are getting minus 3. Correct. Yes, children, please take down this.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Very good. Can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, this I want you to work and tell me the answer. Yeah.
है वो हमेशा ये
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the final answer?
Ma'am, 21 by.
Okay. What is Nandana's answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
21 by 25 x cube y cube plus 14 by 25 x cube y.
14 by 25. X cube. Yeah, correct. X cube y. All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So when we multiply this and this, when we multiply these two, it's like, you know, if you want to show the step, 7 by 5 into 3 by 5 into x square y into xy square plus again 7 by 5 into 2 by 5 into x square y into x.
Ma'am, but I haven't done that step, ma'am. Directly I have multiplied.
Yeah, you can write it directly. You can write it directly. We can write it directly. So when you multiply these two, so you'll have to multiply these two and these two. So you get 21. You can't cancel anything. So 21 by 25, x squared into x is x cubed, y cubed.
Y cubed, ma'am.
Plus 14 by 25, x cubed y. Correct.
Ma'am, I got the answer 35 by 25 x power 6 y power 4, ma'am.
Ma'am, simplified it's 7 by 5 x cubed y cubed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What, children?
Ma'am, when we are simplifying that, we are getting 7
So one
by
one by one. Bhavishya, yes.
Ma'am, I have done like I have added, ma'am, 21 and 14 like 35 by 25 x cube.
Okay, I understood. Okay, next, Swati.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, when we add 21 and 14, it's 35 by 25, ma'am. And when we simplify,
Okay, yeah, Nandana. Okay, I understood. Nandana.
And no doubts. That answer only my answer.
Oh, you didn't
21
simplify.
by.
You left it like this, is it? You did not simplify it further.
No, no.
Or do you feel it cannot be simplified further?
Ma'am, it cannot be simplified.
What is your reason for that? Why do you think it cannot be simplified further?
Because 25 and 21 can't be simplified, ma'am.
No. It's about adding. Why are you not adding them further? 21 by 25 and 14 by 25. Why are you not adding them further?
Ma'am, because they are not like terms.
Very good. They are not like terms. Addition and subtraction can be performed only with like terms. You can multiply anything. You can multiply, divide anything. But to add or subtract, they have to be like terms. Nandana and Swati. Oh, sorry, Bhavishya and Swati. So this one, how do you know that they're like or unlike terms? You should look at the literal factors, the letters. What decides like, unlike terms? The literal factors, not the numbers. Numbers can be anything. Who decides like terms, unlike terms? The letters in the terms. The letters and the terms. What are the literal factors here? X cubed, y cubed. What about this x cubed? Y. They are not like terms. They are unlike terms. So unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. You cannot add or subtract them. So as Nandana said, this is the final answer. So please, you all know, you know it. Bhavishya and Swati also know it. It's not new to you. Yeah. So just tell yourself that you should not repeat this in future. Got this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah. See, if it is like 2a square and 3a cubed, children. Okay, supposing you have 2a square plus 3a cubed. What will you say? This is a number can be anything. Look at the letters. A square, a cubed, a square, a cubed. They're different. They don't sound the same. Now, how do you make out their like or unlike terms? When you read them, no, they should sound the same. When you read them, a square, a cubed, different sounds you're getting. Unlike terms. Now, when you have a cubed, b cubed, and b cubed, a cubed, they're like terms. A cubed, b cubed. This also can be read as a cubed, b cubed. They have the same sound, a cubed, b cubed. Like terms. Like terms. But so now 2a square and 3a cubed cannot be simplified further because they're unlike terms. But you can always multiply them. What will you get when you multiply? Yes.
6a raised to the power 5.
5 or 6?
Ma'am, we add the powers, ma'am.
Yeah.
So it's
5.
fine.
Correct. So you can multiply. See, they're unlike terms, but you can multiply them. 2a square and 3a cubed, they are unlike terms. But you can multiply them. 3 2s are 6. A square into a cubed is a to the power 5. But you cannot add or subtract them because they're unlike terms. So this is the final answer. This one is the final answer. Because this is x cubed y cubed, this is x cubed y, unlike terms. Very good. All right, next. Subtract 3L into L minus 4M plus. Yes, children. So you need to subtract this from this. So how do we write it, children? Whatever comes after from, we write it first, no? That's how we have understood since.
And 4L is the first and 3L is the second.
Correct. So that's what we have learned from our primary school teacher. Whatever comes after from, write that first. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So write
ma'am.
that first. Yeah. So it's subtract. So write 4L into 10N minus 3M plus 2L. This one first. Then you write 3L into L minus 4M plus 5N and separate it by a minus sign because it's subtract. So you should put a minus sign in the middle because it is subtract. Put a minus sign in the middle. Now tell me, children.
Shall I say?
Or we'll do one thing. All of you work in your book. Let's see if you three and I get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I won't work now. You all finish. I'll wait for 2 minutes. You finish it and then I'll work. You can check your steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah. Now I'm going to do it. 4L into 10N is 40 LN.
40 L.
Yeah.
Minus
then
12
minus
LM
12
LM.
LM
LM
plus 8 L
plus
square.
plus 8 L square. Very good. Then
Minus
3 L
3 L
L square.
square
plus 12 LM, mom.
Yeah.
plus 12 L
Then
minus
Minus
minus 15 LM.
very good. Very good. Yeah. Now let's write the like terms together. 40 LN minus 15
Minus
LN.
15
15
LM
LM.
plus
Minus
8.
12 LM, ma'am.
Ah, you
Plus
can
12.
cancel. Nandana
Ma'am,
asked me earlier.
cancel.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
cancel this. Yeah, you don't have to write this at all.
Ma'am, plus 8 L square minus 3 L square.
Yeah. Correct. So finally we have 25.
25 LN plus 5 L square, ma'am.
Very good. All of you got this? Swati, Bhavishya,
Yes,
Nandana?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Got it. Correct, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So I think I should give you some tougher ones. All this is very easy for you.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, next one. Add P into P minus Q, Q into Q minus R, and R into R minus P. You should add. So how do you write it? How do you write this first? P into P minus Q plus, because you'll have to add Q
Yes,
into
ma'am.
Q minus R
Minus R
plus
plus
R into
R
R.
into R minus P.
Yes, students. Yes, proceed.
Ma'am, I got an answer.
Yeah, what's the answer?
Ma'am, P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus RP, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got the correct.
P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus RT. Now
Yes,
we
ma'am,
have
same answer.
no, yeah, we have no like terms, right?
Ma'am, no like terms.
No like terms. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. No like terms. So this is the final answer. Very good. Okay, so let me test you on factorization then.
1 minute, ma'am.
Oh, so sorry, I cleared it. Shall I work it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What was the question? Please tell me the question. P into?
P
Ma'am, P into Q plus Q into Q minus R plus R into R minus P, ma'am.
R minus P, no?
Yes, ma'am.
P minus
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes, Bhavishya. This is the final answer, Bhavishya. You got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So let's learn something new about factorization. Okay, factorize. Factorize. Very important question. See, suddenly, next year we have this chapter polynomials where, there'll be a sudden leap. Now, what you have in NCRT, algebraic expressions and factorization is, I think, too less, because if you just learn that much, next year it will be a big leap. Like you will be like, I learned so little last year and now suddenly I'm learning so much. So to bridge that gap, this chapter I'll always do a little more than what you really need for 8th standard. So that when you are introduced this year, you again see that next year you will feel more comfortable. So certain sums which I do may not be really, tested in 8th standard, but you need to learn this now so that you feel this comfortable next year. So please practice everything I teach you. Don't ignore anything. Yeah. So let's learn how to factorize this one. Now here, what you have to do, children, you'll have to group the first 3 terms. See here, it's new to you, so listen to me carefully. Group the first 3 terms and have the last term as it is. Okay, now the first 3 terms, they are of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so first always write down the given expression. So write down the given expression like this. Okay, after this is like a square. The second term is like minus 2ab. The third term is like b square. Write that minus, what is 36y square? 6y the whole square, but have it separately. Or you can write it as 36y square itself. Now you can write it as 36y square itself. Now children, this one, what is this 25x square? What should I write in the bracket? 5x. 5x. Yeah, then what is b square here?
Ma'am, 6. I mean, 1, ma'am.
1. This is 2ab, this is b squared, not this one. This is the 4th term. The 3rd term is b squared, this one. So 1, right? All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then what will be 2ab? 2 into
5x.
5x.
Into
1, ma'am.
1. 2ab. Now multiply. What is 2 into 5x?
10x, ma'am.
10x into 1?
10x, ma'am.
Are you
10x,
getting
ma'am.
the middle term? Are you getting the middle
Yes,
term?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the first 3 terms is perfectly of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is 5x and b is 1. Now what is a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b the whole square. Yes or no? A square minus 2ab plus b square. The given thing, what we have looks like this. So what is the answer? A minus b the whole square is the answer. See, the question looks like this, meaning what we have looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the answer should be a minus b the whole square. The other side of the identity. The other side of the identity. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, what you have looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square. What you have looks like this. So what's the answer? You cannot write the same thing again. What is the answer then? A minus b the whole square is the answer. A minus b the whole square is the answer. So what is A? What is A?
5x, ma'am.
5x.
Yeah, minus what is B?
1, ma'am.
Yeah, minus is from the identity minus. This A minus B. So 5x minus 1, the whole square. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is that other term which we have not still used?
Minus 36y square, ma'am.
Now write that as a perfect square.
6y, ma'am.
6y. 6y. Now this is of the form a square minus b square. See here, this is A. This one is A.
Plus B, A minus.
Yeah, this is A. And this is B. This is A, this is B. A square minus B square. What is A? What is A?
5x minus 1, ma'am.
5x minus 1 is A. 5x minus 1 is A. A square, you can see the square outside. So don't see the square. The remaining is A. 5x minus 1. And B square 6y is b. Now it looks like a square minus b square. What you have is of the form a square minus b square. So the answer will be a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b? Write a. Write a.
Ma'am,
This is a.
5x minus 1 plus
Minus
6y.
Plus 6. A plus b into a. What is a?
5x minus 1
5x
minus
minus
6y.
1 minus
Minus 6.
6y.
Correct. Perfect. Perfect, children. That's it. So see, we have factorized. Look at the final step. It's a product of the two factors, 5x minus 1 plus 6y into 5x minus 1 minus 6y. Write down, I'll give you 2 more questions exactly like this so that you can practice and understand better. Yeah, same idea, children, but a little higher level, not exactly like this. So you should do it carefully, but the same idea, exactly the same idea.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yeah, please. Done, Swati?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Others, Nandana and Bhavishya, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is the next one. Same heading, factorize a to the power 4 minus 8 a square b square plus 16 b to the power 4 minus 256. And the next one is a to the power 4 plus 6a square b square plus 9b to the power 4 minus 81. Yes, children? Same idea like the one we did earlier. I'll just come back in 2 minutes. Please try these two.
Have completed.
Yeah, Nandana, I heard you. Completed, huh? Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I answer, ma'am?
Wait, we'll just check with your friends. What about Swati and Bhavishya?
Last question, last step.
Yeah. Bhavishya?
Ma'am, I'm having doubts.
No problem, no problem. Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Nandana, sorry, Bhavishya, you want some more time or shall we see the answer?
We can see the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, second sum I have done most attempts. I am having doubts still, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So the second one, we'll first write the given expression. Now we have to factorize this. So we'll first write that. And what we have to do is we'll have to take the first 3 terms, because these 3 terms make a perfect square. Okay. So this is of the form x square minus the second term is 2xy and the third term is y squared. Minus 256 as it is. That last term minus 256 as it is. Now the first term is like x squared, the second term 2xy, the third term y squared. Now what should we write here in the first bracket?
Ma'am, a square.
A square, ma'am.
A square, because 2 to the 4. A square.
Come on.
And in this bracket?
4b square,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
4b square.
4b square. Because 4 square is 16. What do you mean by 4b square the whole square? Please write it like this. This means 4b square into 4b square. 4b square into 4b square. 4 4s are 16. B square into b square is b to the power 4. 16 b to the power 4. So now what is 2xy here?
Ma'am,
A square 4b square, ma'am.
Into 4b square. Now check if you're getting the middle term. 8a square b square. Are you getting
yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes,
When you
ma'am.
multiply 2 4s are 8, a square b square. Yes, we are getting the middle term.
Yeah.
So these 3 terms are of the form x square minus 2xy plus y square. So the answer is x minus y. Yeah,
A
I'm
square
saying x
minus 4b square.
Yeah, I'm saying x square minus 2xy plus y square because there's already a and b there. So if we again say a square minus 2ab plus b square, there's already a and b there. So we'll use x and y. So x minus y the whole square, where x is a square, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
And y is
Minus b square.
square, ma'am.
minus.
4b square.
Yeah, x is a square and y is 4b square. X minus y the whole square. X
Okay.
minus y the whole square minus 16 the whole
16
square.
square.
Yeah. Now this is of the form x square
plus
minus
b
y
square.
square. X square minus y square.
Yeah.
What is x square minus y square? X plus y into x minus y.
Yeah.
So what is x?
Ma'am, a square
A square minus 4b
minus 4b square plus 16. A square minus 4b square minus 16.
minus 16.
Correct. Very good. Bhavisha, you can ask me any doubts here.
In third step, I have done mistake.
Yeah, okay. Is it clear now, or you want to ask me something?
Ma'am, clear now.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So all of you check if you have exactly these steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I say for the third one?
Okay. Tell me the third question.
Ma'am, a to the power
A?
4
Ah,
plus 6a square b square
okay.
plus 9b raised to the power 4, ma'am,
Ah,
minus 81.
okay. So group the first three terms. They're of the form a square or x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 81 as it is. X
Yes, ma'am.
square plus 2xy plus y square. So what is it in the first bracket here?
A square, ma'am.
A square. And here?
Ma'am, it's 3 square.
3?
3b.
3b,
3b
that's
square,
all.
ma'am.
3b square. 3b square into 3b square is 9b to the power 4. So 2ab, 2xy. What is x?
Ma'am, a square.
Ma'am, a square.
Yeah, into y.
3b square, ma'am.
3b
Yeah, very good. Now check, multiply and see if you're getting the middle term.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
6a square b square. 2 3s are 6, a square b square. Correct. So these three terms, they look like x the whole square plus 2xy plus y the whole square. So what is x square? What is x square plus 2xy plus y square? It is x plus y the whole square, not x minus y, because plus 2xy. Plus it is here. So it will be x plus y the whole square. So this is your x. This is your y. X plus y, the whole square. Correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 9 the whole square. Now this is of the form x square minus y square. What is x square minus y square? It is x plus y into x minus y. Into x minus y. So it is x. This is x. This is x plus y plus 9 into x. Right x. This is x minus y. Isn't it easy, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. With practice, it will be very easy. When you look at the expression, you will realize that you have to factorize like this. Okay. Now we'll see another case, slight variation. You should have the first term as it is and group the last three terms. We'll see that now. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, 10 white, sorry. I'll let you know. So here, look at these terms, y square, y constant. See, only they can make, now here, when you see the first three terms, it has a to the power 4, b to the power 4, and the middle term has a square, b square. Now here you cannot group the first three terms because look at the term, it is 36x squared. 36x squared, but the middle term does not have an x at all. There is no x term at all here. Then how will you get 2ab? 36x squared. So that means it is 6x the whole square. 6x the whole square. That means the middle term should have an x in it, right? But there is no x term at all here. There's no x term at all here. So here you will have to group the last three terms because it's y square, y and constant, not constant. Like you can see that 25y square is a perfect square. 1 is also a perfect square. 1 is a perfect square. 25y square is a perfect square. And the middle term has y. If you take 36x square, it is 6x the whole square. The middle term should have an x factor in it. There is no x term at all here. So here you'll have to group the last three terms. So what you do, you write, this is the question, write 36x square as it is. You'll have to take a minus common. And in the bracket, you will get 25y square. Tell me, what will you get in the bracket? 25y square?
Minus 10y.
Minus 10y.
Minus 1.
Minus
No.
1.
No.
So, plus 10y plus 1.
Plus 10y plus 1. Now open the bracket. Minus into 25y square, minus 25y square, minus into plus minus 10y, minus into plus minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, children? Nandana is not there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is 36x square minus, use a square bracket, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So what should I write here in the first bracket?
25y.
Ma'am, 5y.
5y, ma'am.
Here?
1, ma'am.
1, ma'am.
And here?
5y into 1, ma'am.
Now check, multiply and see if you're getting the middle term.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 5, 10, 10y, 10y, yes. So now write this as 6x the whole square minus, what is it here? It's like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what's the answer? A plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square?
Plus 1 square.
5
square minus 1 square.
5y square minus 1.
Ma'am, 5y minus 1 whole
Plus
square.
1, ma'am. Plus y the whole square.
5y plus 1 the whole square or minus 1 the whole square? Nandana.
Ma'am, plus 1.
Plus 1 because it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b the whole square. A is 5y, children. See at 5y. This one is a. 1 is b. Okay. Now this of the form a square minus b square. So what's the answer? What is a square minus b square?
A square plus b. A plus b of a minus b, ma'am.
A plus b into a minus b. So what should I write in the bracket? First bracket?
6x. 6x
Minus
plus 5y plus 1.
This is a. This is a, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
A plus
Plus
b. Plus
5y plus 1, ma'am.
5y plus 1, ma'am.
okay, into a minus b.
6x minus 5y
Minus 5y
plus 1, ma'am.
plus 1, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do one thing just for clarity, We'll write a plus b into a minus b like this. See here, children. See here, please. I'm using a square bracket, okay? I'm going to write a here plus b into a minus b. I've just provided spaces for A, B. A plus B, A minus B. Is this presentation understood?
Yes, ma'am.
A plus B, A minus B. So I'll write A here. What should I write?
6x, ma'am.
So here also 6x. Then here?
5y plus 1, ma'am.
5y plus 1 more.
Here?
5y plus 1, ma'am.
5y plus 1 more.
Okay, now open the bracket and tell me what you get. 6x.
6x
6x
plus
5y
5y plus 1.
y plus 1.
Then next bracket 6x
6x
Minus 5y
minus
plus
5y
1.
plus 1, ma'am.
minus 5y
Plus 1.
Minus 1 more.
Minus 1.
minus 1. Minus into plus minus 1. Yeah, please write down, children. So we have used these two identities. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. And the other identity is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Yeah, I'm going to give you 2 more questions similar to this one.
Done, ma'am.
All right.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Those are finished. These are the next 2 questions. Okay, so this is one question, and the other one is yeah. Yes, children.
Completed.
Yeah. Completed what?
This question.
Yeah, I've given you 2 more questions. Did you notice that?
Oh, that question. Okay, ma'am.
Um, Yes, children.
Ma'am, first I'm finished, ma'am.
First one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Okay, let's see the answer for that. Take down the next question, children. I have to clear the slide.
done, ma'am.
Okay.
1
minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, the first one, 49 minus a square plus 8ab minus 16b squared. Yes, children. How do we do this?
Ma'am, 49 minus a square plus 8ab minus 16b square. B square.
No.
Shall I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we group the last three
Ma'am.
terms. So we'll be
Shall I take?
it in the form like
1 minute, Nandana. She started, Swati. Maybe you can continue the next step. Yes, Swati.
yes, ma'am. We first write the term as it is, ma'am, like a square plus 8ab minus 16b, ma'am, and after that we separate it, ma'am. So we'll be getting a square plus 2 into a into 4b and plus 4b, ma'am.
Nobody is giving me the required step. Nandana?
Ma'am, we need to transpose the minus sign. So it will become minus 8b plus 16b square.
Correct, you're right, but what have you written in your book?
Ma'am, a square minus b square, ma'am. A square minus 2 into a into 4b.
But nobody is telling take out. Nobody is telling me this. I'm expecting you to say that you have to enclose these three terms in a bracket. Write this minus sign as it is. And you'll have to put these three terms in a bracket. But there's a minus outside. So minus into a square, minus a square, minus a square, minus a square. Then you need to get plus 8ab. Minus into minus is plus 8ab. Then minus into plus is minus 16b square. Nobody told me about the minus signs. Yes or no?
I told, ma'am.
Who? Nandana, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
No, that bracket I'm trying to say. Nobody said that you should use a bracket.
Ma'am.
No, just is this step understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You should see this minus this minus comes down as it is. You will have to enclose these three terms in a bracket. So minus a square, minus into minus plus 8ab, minus into plus minus 16b square. Now?
And now, a square.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we should write a.
Yeah.
2 into a
No,
into
this
4.
one, last term.
Last term is 4b, ma'am.
2 into?
A into 4b.
Getting the middle term?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then?
17 square minus bracket a minus
17
4.
square, huh? 7 square.
7 square. A minus 4b whole square, ma'am.
Correct. Very good.
This is like a square minus b square. So that we should write as a plus b, a minus b formula, ma'am.
So see here, a plus b, a minus b.
So we get 7 plus a minus 4b, 7 minus a minus.
So can you understand the brackets, all of you? A plus b, a minus b. Correct? Yeah. What is a? 7.
7.
What's b?
A minus 4b. A minus.
Sorry. What's the final step?
Ma'am, 7 plus a plus 4b, ma'am.
A 7 plus a minus 4b.
Minus 4b, ma'am.
Then
7.
yeah,
7 minus a plus 4b moles.
very good, very good. This is the final answer. Yes, children, please take down.
But the answer I got the same.
Answer you got the same, is it?
No.
Oh, very good. Check your steps also.
The steps also I have done like this, ma'am.
Bhavishya, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Good understanding. You have finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not in a hurry. Just checking if you're finished. I can wait.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Okay. I think I gave you 16 minus a to the power 6 plus 4a cubed b cubed minus 4b to the power 6. Yeah. Yes, children. Yes, children.
16, we should write as it is, ma'am. Minus, in the bracket we should write a power 6 plus 4 a power
Plus, children. No,
Ma'am,
plus.
minus.
Minus is plus.
minus 4 a cube b cube, ma'am.
Yeah.
And plus 4b.
Plus, because minus into plus is minus. 4b to the power 6. Very good. Then should write x square minus 2xy plus y square. Yeah.
A to the power 3.
3, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because when you have many powers, you multiply the powers. 3 to the 6, you don't add the powers, you multiply the powers. Then the last term,
2b cube, ma'am.
2b cube. Yeah. Got up very early this morning, so I'm yawning for the last half an hour. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yes, children. So the last term is right. Yeah. Now the middle term, 2 into
2
Ma'am, a cubed into 2b cubed.
2b cube. Now check if you're getting the middle term. 2 2s are 4, a cube, b cube. You are getting it. Correct. Now, what is this?
A cube minus 2b cubed, ma'am.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am,
You need to. Ma'am, a plus b, a minus b.
No. Wait. Now, what you have here? X square minus 2xy plus y square. What is x square minus 2xy plus y square?
Ma'am, x plus y. And x minus y whole square.
Whole square.
Yeah.
X minus y whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now?
Now we should do.
And we should bring 4.
This is like x square minus this is y square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should you write? X plus y into x minus y. What is x? What will come in the first bracket? 4. Second bracket?
A cube minus 2b cube, ma'am.
Here, same thing. So open the bracket. 4 plus a cube minus 2b cube into 4 minus a cube plus 2b cube. Minus a cube plus 2b cube. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please take down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Complete.
Okay, please check your steps.
The steps are correct, ma'am.
Correct? Okay.
Ma'am, next week, Saturday, from Saturday to 17 to 28, I can't able to come, ma'am.
Oh,
I have a quarterly exam, ma'am.
oh. Okay. Fine. So you can't attend the classes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Nandana, Swati, and Bhavishya, just text me the chapters they have completed in the school, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is NCRT, just mention the. Okay, I think Nandana and Bhavishya NCRT, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just mention the chapter numbers. Like on WhatsApp, you just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Just mention the numbers. I'll understand which chapter it is. And Swati, you have to write the names because yours is Exceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me know the chapters they've finished in school.
Ma'am, should I have to say the block number with the name?
No. I don't want the block. Just the name of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for me, from 19th, it's pre-midterm, ma'am.
19. Okay. Yeah, share your portions also. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any questions here, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. Swati and Bhavishya?
No doubt.
All right. We'll just take one more and wind up the session for today. Yeah. Yes, children. Similar children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, plus. Minus into plus is minus. Oh my God, so sorry. Oh, it's already changed. See, I think I'm sleepy today. Sorry. Yeah. Correct, children, so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next what? X the whole square minus?
Y the whole square, ma'am. Y minus y plus 3 the whole square, ma'am.
Not plus 3. It's minus 2ab, no? So it's a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square because minus 2ab it is. So a minus b the whole square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you should write. It's like a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So what is a?
X, ma'am.
X. What's b?
Y minus 3, ma'am.
Very good. Y minus 3. So what is what do you get? A plus b when you open the bracket? X plus y minus 3 into x
Minus y plus 3, ma'am.
plus 3. Very good. Very good. Yes, children, please take down this.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Finished, all of you?
Last step, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
All right, children. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Ma'am.
Thank you.